Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to display Fundbox loan offers in-app. You want to boost your app's value by showing Fundbox loan offers directly to your users. Well, in today's tutorial I'm going to walk you through exactly how to embed Fundbox offers into your app's UI using their API. Let's get started. The first step, of course, is to ensure that you have Fundbox API access. You're going to need a partner account and access credentials from Fundbox. So visit the Fundbox developer portal and register your app. Next is to authenticate with Fundbox's API. Use OAuth 2.0 to authenticate each user session. Securely obtain and store access tokens for API calls. Next is to call the loan offers endpoint. Use the /offers endpoint to retrieve available loan terms for each user. The API will return offers based on user business data and, of course, their credit history. Next is to design your UI widget. You want to create a clean section in your app where offers are displayed, including loan amounts, interest rates, term length, and of course the repayment details. Next is to add interactivities. Allow users to click on an offer to see more details as well as to accept the loan. You can redirect them to the Fundbox loan agreement, or you can handle it within your app. Next is to use real-time updates. Call the API or use webhooks to update the displayed offers dynamically. Show messages like new offers available to prompt engagement. Next is to test thoroughly. Use the sandbox mode for QA. Ensure that offers display is responsive across desktop and mobile. Embedding Fundbox loan offers directly into your app not only boosts user engagement, but also opens up new monetization opportunities if you're a platform partner. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.